What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a MagSafe case for your iPhone 16 Pro. So let's go ahead and open this up and I'll tell you all about it. All right, so once you open this up, one of the other things that you get in here besides the case itself is going to be this information card about the company who makes it. So that's cool. And this is going to be the case itself. So one of the features is going to be this aluminum stand that you can pull out, and it rotates 360 degrees. And what's nice is that it folds back into the case itself and it fits nice and flush. So let's go ahead and put this on the phone. So this is going to be the iPhone 16 Pro here. Put this in. I like to put the buttons in first. Then we're just going to snap down on there. Boom, fits perfect. So you see that this case is designed for the touch button here for your easy access, your control access. Say for instance, like your camera, you just press that, boom, now we have our camera. So that works well. Also your side power button, you can see this little indentation here for your bumper protection. That's pretty cool. This is going to be a TPU material. That's the back with the cameras. You can see that it's raised a little bit to protect the cameras, which is nice. Then also this is going to be the stand. The stand is nice and flush. And like I said, this is designed to be MagSafe, so it still works with wireless charging. It's the other side with your buttons. And then you can see the bottom with your charging. I like this nice big opening to the USB-C port. And that's the way it looks. So once again, this is going to be a MagSafe case. So if you have a MagSafe charger, you put this on, boom, it sticks. And it's going to have one of the strongest magnets. So it guarantees, you can see that even if I hit this, it doesn't really turn because it's so strong, which I really like because there are a lot of cases that aren't that strong. And if you just barely tap it, your phone moves. This one is really strong. Even trying to pull this off, it's pulling the stand. So that's how strong the magnet is. And to give you an example of the stand, you can use this in various positions, also at a 90 degree. You can tilt it to the side. So once again, guys, this is going to be the MagSafe case for the iPhone 16 Pro. If you're looking for extra protection, make sure you check it out. There's other colors as well. So if you want to match your phone or go with another color other than black, you can do that. And hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.